Good morning.
Good morning. This is precisely why I said good morning. The theme, no man is an island. It simply means no man is self-sufficient. Thank you for helping me out in telling me it was easy. You know, when I was thinking of this particular theme, I wanted a particular example, a perfect example. I'm a great fan of the NBA. This is one guy who's a 6-time All-Star, a 3-time champion. But when he was drafted into the NBA, he was just like any other player. He was good, but he was never great. His name was Paul Pierce. They called him the truth in the NBA. He was drafted in the year 1997. 3 years passed by. In the year 2000, he and his couple of friends went to this club called the Buzz Club. There was this particular incident that changed his life. Now, why am I talking about Paul Pierce when it comes to this theme? In life, all of us travel this particular path to success. We have a bunch of people who come and tell us why we're going to be successful. They see the optimistic person in us. They see the brighter side of us. Whereas there is this other side, or the other set of people who are always pessimistic. Those are the ones who are going to tell you that you cannot do it. In some way or the other, they're still contributing to your success. Going back to the story, in the year 2000, Paul Pierce, when he entered that club, the Buzz Club, this incident changed his life. He was stabbed 8 times. 8 times. It was so fatal, the doctors told him that he cannot play any contact sport for the rest of his life. He was in such a serious condition, but his mental state of mind never gave up. After this particular incident, when the doctor said no to his practice of basketball, his teammates and his coach were surprised when they saw him on a summer camp practicing. When he won his first All-Star game and his NBA championship, he owed his success to the people who stabbed him. He thanked them because he was never focused as he was. He thanked them because they helped him to see the brighter side of life. Similarly, in the year 1924, a person called Ralph C. Smedley had a vision. He wanted to help people. And he built something that each one of us cherish today, the Toastmasters International Club. In the year 1924, Santa Ana, California, in the basement of the YMCA building, he started the Toastmasters Club. Today, the Toastmasters Club is present in 150 countries, over 3 lakh members, and in Bangalore alone, we have more than 100 clubs. And the Toastmasters International also hosts the World Championship of Public Speaking. In every Toastmasters session, we have 3 divisions. The first is going to be the table topic session, where we're going to have a table topic master who's going to come on stage and who's going to pick up random members sitting amongst the crowd, where each member is going to get a particular topic and who's going to speak for a minute or 2 without any practice. And the second session, I think, is the best session amongst the meeting, personally, is the prepared speech session, where each speaker gets a particular amount of time to speak, 6 minutes or 7 minutes. In this prepared speech session, we have various members who've been preparing on their particular project. Once they've prepared, they come on here to speak for us. And the final and the last session, which is also the most crucial session of Toastmasters, is the evaluation session, where each speaker is given a particular evaluator, and then we also have a general evaluator who's going to adjourn the meeting. The basic essence of evaluation is to provide essential feedback and to help the speaker become a better speaker. And right now, I'd like to introduce the general evaluator of this session. The general evaluator of this session is a person who loves reading. One of her favorite books is also one of my favorite movies, Gone Girl. I also got to know today that she is an audacious leader. I asked her a question. If I gave you $1 million, what would you do? She said, I'd invest half the money in startups and half the money in pre-established businesses. So Toastmasters and guests, please put your hands together for the general evaluator of today's meeting, Toastmaster Sapna. First session.
Yes.
So the first session of today's meeting is the table topics. So every table topic session has a table topic master. And today's table topic master is Mr. Ashish. Mr. Ashish was this speaker who mesmerized all of us last week. Because I can easily say it was one of the best CC1s that this club has ever seen. Mr. Ashish also loves cooking, and he also practices a form of martial arts called Muay Thai. Can we have a round of applause for Ashish?